Hello, this is Anna Laura Brown of AnnaLauraBrown.com, and in this video I am going to talk with you about Copaiba essential oil and how to use it and what some of the benefits and uses are of this amazing essential oil. So a couple of things first to know about. So Copaiba comes from Brazil, from the Amazon, and it is first and foremost an anti-inflammatory. So what does that mean? That means that this essential oil can be used to help with any reducing inflammation, which is a lot of times at the root cause of a lot of different health challenges that a lot of us run across. The other thing about Copaiba, it is also considered a cannabinoid. So just like CBD, Copaiba is also a cannabinoid. And that said, Copaiba does not have THC in it, and it's quite a bit different than like a CBD oil. And a lot of people say that it's better, and personally I have used CBD a little bit but not a lot, and I really have found Copaiba to, in my opinion, from the little bit experience I had with CBD, to be quite a bit better. And one of the reasons is that it's a lot easier to test for quality in something like Copaiba essential oil and to get that same purity and quality in every single batch, whereas CBD is not regulated and it could be harder to get the quality. And because Copaiba doesn't have any THC, you can't test positive on a drug test with Copaiba, whereas you can with CBD. So that said, a couple of other perks to Copaiba is, one thing which can be a perk is I know a lot of us, and myself included, we really enjoy essential oils for the smell, but at the same time, you know, too much of a smell can be a little bit of a problem around other people. And Copaiba has kind of a little bit of a light woodsy smell, but it really doesn't have that strong of a smell. So for example, I'm wearing this little bead thing that I like to wear to put some different essential oils on, just to smell throughout the day, that kind of thing. And Copaiba would be a really good one for this one because it doesn't have a very strong smell. The other thing, and the other way that I like to use Copaiba, like I said, because it's a really strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, is that I will put 3 to 4 drops of Copaiba and combine it with clove and turmeric in a capsule and swallow it, and it really helps me when I'm having, you know, like some kind of like an autoimmune flare-up or something like that. Just helps to reduce the effects of that in my body. Or, you know, if I'm having a day where I just kind of feel off and I'm not really sure what's going on, I'm not really sick, but, you know, I don't feel my greatest, then I will do that, and that will work really, really well. I also like to use Copaiba in combination with frankincense, like on the bottoms of my feet or a little bit over my neck and thyroid area. It works really, really well. So that's another way to use it. You can also use Copaiba with a diffuser, and I'm actually going to have a separate video that I'm going to talk about some of my favorite ways to, and combinations to use Copaiba essential oil with a diffuser. But anyhow, these are just some of the different ways that you can use it. You can research online and find some other ideas of different ways to use Copaiba as well. Another way that it really works really well is occasionally I'll get, you know, just kind of like a kink in my knee or my back or whatever, and I can rub a few drops over it. It works really well to help ease a little bit of that muscle tension there. And then last but not least, Copaiba can also help assist with getting higher quality sleep. So a lot of times I like to use a blend that has lavender and chamomile and a few other things in it, but Copaiba can also be combined with that to help me sleep if I'm having a night where I'm just really struggling and not sleeping to the extent that I hope that I would. So anyhow, these are just some of my favorite benefits and uses for Copaiba essential oil. If you have any questions about it or would like to learn more or try a sample, you'll find a link somewhere with this video where you can contact me and I can share more with you. So take care, thanks, and have a great day.